Why do we yawn when we see others yawn? Seeing another people yawn can cause those watching to catch the yawn themselves. Science has wondered why this happens and still happens. But what is the main purpose of yawning? Yawning is associated with some hormones that are released that briefly increase the heart rate and alertness. So actually the reason that one yawns when tired or bored is the body's attempt to keep you alert and awake. So how to stop yawning immediately? If you want to stop yawning, take a few deep breaths through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Secondly, drink a full beverage. During those important moments, keep a full beverage handy. If you feel the need to yawn again, take a sip of ice water. Another question: which animal yawns most? As expected, the researchers wrote, yawns from primates were significantly longer than from other mammals. As expected, the researchers wrote, yawns from primates were significantly longer than from other mammals. So, we humans, the top primate on the planet Earth, are the yawn time champs because our average yawn times of just over 6 seconds. There are still other questions about yawning. What happens if you don't yawn when someone else does? You have to know that some people are more sensitive to these reflexes than others. Recent research suggests that the variability could signal a level of empathy or ability for empathy processing of someone. This means that you are very empathic with others if you are very sensitive to these reflexes of yawning. But there are still questions. Why when someone yawns, you yawn? Yawning may be related to a phenomenon called social mirroring, originating from mirror neurons in the brain. These neurons help us to imitate others' actions. These neurons help us to imitate the actions of others if we think it will benefit us or strengthen social bonds. So other behaviors that fall into this category include leg crossing and laughing. Laugh when we see others laughing. And the question: is yawning due to the lack of oxygen? Normally no. Researchers initially thought that yawning might mean lack of oxygen, but more recent evidence suggests this is untrue. Yawning doesn't mean you lack oxygen or your body is trying to get more oxygen. So, why do I keep yawning when I'm tired? It's normal to yawn when even you are not tired. So, what causes a person to yawn a lot? Excessive yawning reasons include physical causes: fatigue, general tiredness, body temperature malfunctions, and stimulation to vagus nerve can cause frequent yawning. And remember, excessive yawning and sleepy disorders are often correlated. Another reason to yawn is emotional causes. Anxiety, depression can lead to yawning excessively. Another trigger of yawning is loneliness and is common stimulus of yawning. It often occurs when birds eat. It is trying to sustain their attention and alert in time of drowsiness or sleepy feeling. Last questions. Why does it go silent when I yawn? This is due to a muscle in your middle ear called tensor tendon, which is attached to a small hammer bone that transmits sound from the eardrum, but silence while yawning is temporary. So, yawning is a body normal reflex which is more contagious that happens when the body is attempting to keep you alert and awake. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more live videos. Thank you. Bye bye.